Welcome to Baguio. So we're here for the next like 3 days. So stay tuned for any cafe recos, mga food recos again. Tapos samahan nyo kami. And now we are checking in sa Forest Lodge. So I'll also give you a room tour later. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so here's a quick room tour. We just checked in here at the Forest Lodge, so I'll give you a room tour. Once you enter, there is a big mirror here. Tapos, may mga refreshments and then meron ding sink. May mga pa-free na coffee, hot water, and coffee. Tapos, I think ito may bayad ata yan kasi meron yan. Tapos, sa ilalim din are ref, tapos may refreshment, may bayad din yan. Underneath, wala, trash can. And then here's our room. We got, this is superior bed. Superior room. So may dalawang single bed pero I think kasya dalawang tao here. Tapos may phone, and then may couch there. May study area here, and then may TV. Tapos meron ding view, mountain view daw to, sabi nung nasa, and actually view neto. So ayan siya. Okay, tapos merong dresser here, merong blower, and then may lalagyanan ng gamit. So we put our things here, everything, and then on the other side may safe, may slippers at saka laundry bag, and I think meron pa here. Wala pala yan. So let's go to the CR. Ito yung CR, malaki. It's very spacious. Meron ding bidet. Ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, may mga amenities. May mga dental kit, shaving kit, hand soap, lotion. There's a sink there, and then this is the shower area. Malaki din naman siya. So I booked this through Klook. Medyo late na kami nag-book, parang 2 days or a day before lang. I think it's around like 7,000 per month. 7,000 per night. Pero I think kapag mas malayo, I think nasa around 5,000. But nakuha ko lang siya ng mura because of my Klook code. So you can use my Klook code for you to get an additional discount. Pero I grabbed the promo of Metrobank. Sa Metrobank, parang 25% off. So, mga nasa 15 lang yung 3 nights namin here. Sobrang sulit. Lemon and olives for lunch. We're here in Lemon and Olives. So, we're getting Greek salad. Ano to? Parang soup. Whatever yun. Tapos another salad, lamb chops, hummus, then grilled shrimps. Hummus. May additional pita and rice. Happy tummy everyone! Happy tummy everyone! Hot cut! Early dinner in Agara Ramen. Third stop here in Bangkok is Agara Ramen. So I'm getting the Tsukimen. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2. So we are having breakfast here in Chocolate de Bateron and our orders are... So we have daing na bangus, longganisa, daing na bangus also, and tapa. Tapos puto bumbong and bibingka. Happy tummy everyone! Okay, so we're having some desserts. So, kung sa Boracay merong Coco Mama, Ube Mama, at saka Mango Mama, dito sa Baguio merong Berry Mama. So, we're having the Berry Mama Crumble. Laki. This is 250 pesos. Hi guys, here at Rental Bakehouse. So what we ordered, the chili dog with fries, and then the leche flan Danish, and then lemon soda and ice latte. Wow, masarap. Hi guys, we're having early dinner here at Kati's Fast Food. Dito lang malapit sa session room.
Kaya merienda to.
Ah, merienda lang ba to? Ay, hindi pa kasi tayo nag-lunch.
Yes.
So, ang in-order namin, half nung buttered chicken at saka half nung garlic buttered chicken. Tapos chop suey since nandito tayo sa Baguio. Tapos, nag-order din kami ng 8 treasure soup at saka
Kasi fresh.
plain rice. Ito yung menu nila, murang-mura lang. So, ito yung buttered chicken, garlic buttered chicken, 8 treasure soup, chop suey, and a whole lot more. Garlic buttered chicken. Ayan.
Ang sarap ng butter. Yung butter lang masarap.
This is the buttered chicken.
Ako ang may kasalanan. Kasi mas masarap, sana naghula lang tayo ng garlic. Yung butter. Parang okay lang. Parang matikman.
Mas masarap yung buttered chicken kasi crispy pa siya. Ito kasi medyo soak na siya doon sa flavors. Pero mas gusto namin yung buttered chicken. Good morning guys! We are here at Hatch Coffee. We are having brunch. And let's go! guys, we're having desserts here in Viscos. Meron na pala nito dito sa SM Baguio. So we're here at their branch at SM Baguio. So, kain lang kami ng desserts. We're having ube cake and strawberry shortcake and some coffee. Since umorder na sila ng strawberry shortcake, ube cake na lang yung in-order. Sorry. So kakatapos lang namin mag North Haven Spa. It was a 2.5 hour na spa. Yung North Haven Spa kailangan yun. It's a must when you are here in Baguio. Pumunta talaga kami dito para doon. So ayun. Saya naman. Yung kinuha namin yung may scrub tsaka massage for 1,400 pesos. Hi guys, we're here at Oasis Cafe along Session Road and we are here for some authentic, alam mo naman ang layo, for Mami and Shopa. Okay, so here's what we ordered. We have siopaw, ito yung Luisa's fried chicken, their special mami, and then their Mickey Bihon, and their lechon kawali, na sabi ni RC. Mukhang hindi lechon kawali. Got the sampler beers. Ito daw yung mga best sellers nila. So we ordered truffle pasta and then the sticky barbecue chicken, and then sila Joe nag-share lang sila ng burger because they are so payat.
Yeah.
Mga vlogger kong friends. We're here in Solemn Cafe. Nakikikain lang ako ng rapupi ba ito?
Ayan.
Just ordered dalgona coffee tsaka desserts. This is our second dinner. Supposedly desserts lang. Pero they ordered food.
Si hamburger.
Second dinner. I'm having dalgona coffee. Hiyang-hiya yung in-order namin na crepe, na KitKat crepe. Dun sa in-order nilang dessert. This is ube taho. Okay naman siya. Kasi ito naman strawberry taho. 50 pesos each. Totoong strawberries. Mas gusto ko yung strawberry. Wala masyadong lasang ube.
Ano pa, ano sir? Sarap order. Good for
Here at Farmer's Daughter, we're eating legit Benguet food. So may dinakdakan, pako salad, tapos, and a whole lot more. Hindi ko na alam yung tawag eh. Kakaiba kasi yung mga nakasulat. So yeah, happy dummy! Let's eat! So we just checked out from our room and yeah, I think I'll end my vlog here. Hope marami kayong nakuhang mga cafe and food recos here in Baguio. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para masaya tayo lahat. Bye!